Made a chair.
Made it out of cupboard.
Made him a sweater.
Make him repeat it.
Was made to confess.
Made a noise.
Made an enemy.
Made an exhibition of myself.
Made him angry.
Made him a monitor.
Made me a spokesman.
Made her will.
Made a film about Dubai.
Makes a difference.
2 and 2 make 4.
This makes the 10th time.
Made a promise.
Make an effort.
Made a face.
Made a bow.
Made Rs 20,000 on the deal.
We'll make Rs 10,000 from YouTube.
Made egg and chips.
Made a cauliflower.
Made a bed for myself.
He is unable to make a bed.
Made towards the river.
He made to go.
She made to sleep now.
Made the border before dark.
Made the 6 o'clock train.
Couldn't make the meeting last night.
Can make any day except Sunday.
Made the first 11.
Made the 7 o'clock news.
Made colonel in 3 years.
He was made a principal within no time.
What do you make the time?
Do you make that a 1 or a 7?
His mother made him.
It made my day.
Made 60 mph on the motorway.
You can make over 40 on this road.
Made a great leader.
Made a great speaker on YouTube.
A log makes a useful seat.
This computer makes a good performance.
Makes him out a liar.
It makes her stupidity.
I make no judgment. He is able to make any judgment.
Let's make it Sunday.
Made it my business to know.
Decided to make it a dozen. plastic is made from oil.
She wore a beautiful necklace made of silver.
This dish is made with beef, red peppers and herbs.
They were living in tents made out of old plastic sheets.
The pots are made by local craftsmen.
Thieves made away with the contents of the safe.
I think it's time we made for home.
Both teams are on good form, which should make for a great game.
We can make your room into a study.
The movie made her into a star overnight.
Can you make anything of it?
I want to make something of my life.
The men made off as the police arrived.
Thieves broke into the school and made off with computer equipment.
Can't make him out.
Made out a check to her.
How do you make that out?
He made over the whole estate to his son.
He made towards the door.
Can you make up a bottle of milk for the baby?
I wish he'd hurry up and make his mind up.
He could and make up his mind about what to do with the money.
I don't eat breakfast, but I make up for it at lunch.
I'll make it up to you somehow. Have you seen the disgusting way she makes up to the boss?
He was a security guard before he was made up to reception manager.
She makes a point of keeping all her shopping receipts.
He's made a real pig's ear of the bookcase he was supposed to be making.
He's made a name for himself as a talented journalist.
You're making a mountain out of a molehill. You write one bad essay, it doesn't mean you're going to fail.
It's late, I think it's time we made a move.
I've made a muck of it, I'll have to do it again.
She's been making a lot of noise about moving to a new house.
They made complete pigs of themselves at the dinner.
I made a pile selling airline tickets.
I wouldn't have made a play for him if I'd known he was married.
By giving in to the terrorists' demands, the government will simply be making a rod for its own back.
I only asked her to move her car, but she made such a song and dance about it.
I wasn't going to make a spectacle of myself just to give you a laugh.
You make a complete ass of yourself when you talk nonsense. I make all my own clothes.
Nestle factory produces high-quality milk.
Khalilur Rahman Kama created a whole new style of dramas.
This company manufactures Toyota parts.
They mass-produced the COVID-19 drug.
In 2020, global pharmaceutical company developed an effective vaccine against measles.
Hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water.
Wind can be used to generate electricity.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.